Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for planning and tracking your fitness goals for 2025. Step 1 is setting up your account. Once you've entered your details and selected a suitable plan, you're all set. This initial setup is important because it allows UPBASE to personalize your fitness journey. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step, setting your fitness goals. On the dashboard, you'll find the Goals tab. Click on it and enter your specific goals. This could be anything from losing weight, building muscle, or improving your cardiovascular health. The reason we do this is to give your fitness journey a clear direction. Next up, we need to plan workouts. Go to the Workouts tab and start adding your daily exercise routines. You can choose from the preset workouts or customize your own. This helps us because having a well-structured workout plan keeps us focused and motivates us to stick to our fitness goals. Once you've planned your workouts, it's time to track your progress. This is where the Progress tab comes in. Here, you can enter your daily workout results and monitor your progress over time. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking your progress is crucial in keeping you motivated and helping you see how far you've come. It also allows you to adjust your workouts as needed. The fourth step is to make use of the Nutrition tab. UPBASE allows you to track your meals and calculate your daily calorie intake. This is important because nutrition is a vital part of any fitness journey. It helps you understand what you're putting into your body and how it affects your fitness goals. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE uses all this data to provide you with insights and recommendations. It helps you understand your fitness journey better and guides you towards achieving your goals. To wrap up, UPBASE is a powerful tool that can help you plan and track your fitness goals. By setting up your account, inputting your goals, planning and tracking your workouts, and keeping an eye on your nutrition, you're setting yourself up for success. And remember, the key to achieving your fitness goals is consistency. Keep going, and you'll get there. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, keep up the hard work.